Hey YouTube, so we're gonna start day 2 of the exercise.
It was at this moment Jackson knew he fucked up.
Honestly, it's really hard to do push-ups right now because my arms are sore. But I'm a man. I am a man. So we finished 100 sit-ups. The next one is the 100 push-ups, and I'm gonna rest for a while, then we'll start up again at push-ups. This is by the way hard for me now because this is right now both of my arms are sore from the first day. Oh yeah, if you want to comment on my video, please leave one because I will read it in the video while I do the exercise. So thank you. Wait, I'll come back when the exercise is gonna begin again. So we're back. Rested a minute and we're going to do the push-ups. I don't know if I could finish the 100, but I'm gonna try. So we're at 40 and I did 60, so 3 more and it's burning right now. For those who see the video, please do note that I'm just starting this as day 2, not I'm doing this. Well, physically, I'm doing this because my job requires me to do it. So I need to exercise this every day. So my body is prepared for the job. And it's working out pretty well. Because unlike the other day, I sleep about 12 hours a day. I sleep at 9 to 12. That's basically like the clock for me. But when I started this. Okay, sorry for the intrusion. It was cut off because my father was telling me something, so yeah. Okay, this exercise gave me plenty of time I mean, it gave me advantage because now I wake up 9 or 6 because of the pain. The pain in the muscle. If you wake up, you're not gonna sleep again because of the pain of the source. It's really hard to admit it, but exercising is really hard for me. It's not because I can't do it. I can do it, but I don't like to do it, to say to you honestly. So let's do the another 20 because there's 3 more to go. Okay, 2 more sets and then we're done. If you're gonna try this exercise, basically anything that includes exercising, you need to you need to set a standard. Just like mine is 100 to 100 sit up and 100 push up, but it's not straight on because as you can see, I can't do 100 straight in push-ups, but I can do in sit-ups. So I do 100 sit-ups directly, but push-up is cut off 20 by 20 by 20 because I can't do it straight. So if you're gonna do it, make sure your body can do it the next day, because if your body can't do it the next day, your exercise can't be as effective as it can be. Because if you can do it today and not tomorrow, what's the point of exercising? Let's go. 2 more sets. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, That's 80. One more set. One more tip. If your body can't do it for this day, then rest for a while, then do it. But don't ever skip any of your exercise, because if you skip the exercise, it's not an exercise. You're just making excuses to do it. Even if it's painful, it's not gonna kill you. It's an exercise. Even I can't. Maybe the last set will be 2 divided into 2, because I can't do it again in 20 sets, because my body source at 10 already, because my body didn't heal the other day, because I thought it was gonna heal. Never did I thought that it would be this painful the next day. My body is painful over here to here right now. So all this body, all this length in my body, in my arm, is hurting right now like hell. It's burning basically right now. So let's finish the set with 2. Let's separate it in 10, because I can't do it in 20 right now. So let's go. Yeah, one more set for 10. If you can't do it in your standard 20 and can't do it in 10, just do it by 5. Just make sure your exercise is finished by the end of the day, because if you don't finish your standard for the exercise, it's not gonna be better for the next day. Because if you can't do it today, then the other day you can't do it again. Just make sure, don't reason with yourself that you can't do it, it's painful. It's always gonna be painful. It's tiring, it's sweaty. It's always like that. But when your body is if your body is gaining a lot of strength from it, why not do it? Mine is just basic 100, so I can say this is the standard for players, but this is my standard for now. Maybe next month or 3 months I'll change my exercise, but for today I won't change it, because I can't do it straight up. Until I can do it straight, I won't change my exercise for now. So let's end this exercise session with another 10, making it 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I finished it. Okay, the video is now finished. As you can see, I still don't have abs, and I'm still pathetic with the push-ups. So I made a set of 20, but in the end I made it 10. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much if you watch this. If you don't, watch this please, because it can help you when you're trying to exercise. I mean the tips, not the exercising, because my exercise is pathetic right now. So I can say it's a very good video for fitness or exercise. So thank you for watching, and please help my channel grow by sharing this video, and thank you. Peace.